Here in problem 2, we are to graph the solution set of this linear equation in two variables. This particular linear equation in two variables has been written in the standard form. And remember, in standard form, the x and the y terms are written on one side of the equation, and the constant is written on the other side. So when it comes time to find solution pairs for this equation, the two solutions that we want to find right away are the intercepts. Remember, the intercepts are where the line crosses the y and x axis. So to find those intercepts, to find the y-intercept, we see what the solution is when we let x be 0. Well, 6 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 3y would just be 3y. So what number can we multiply times negative 3 that makes 18? Well, that would be negative 6. So when x is given a value of 0, the y value has to be negative 6. Well, that would be the point down here, wouldn't it? Isn't that the point 0, negative 6? That's the y-intercept. Now, to find the x-intercept, we put 0 in for y and solve for x. Well, 3 times 0 is 0, so that just gives us 6x equals 18, so x equals 3. So if y is given the value of 0, x has to be 3 to make the left side become 18. So that's the point 3, 0, which is this point on our graph. And now we could probably try to find another point in between. Maybe by letting x take a value between 0 and 3. Let's say let x be 2. So we'll put in 2 for x and solve that equation. So 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract 12 from both sides. I get negative 3y equals 6. So y equals negative 2. So when x takes on the value of positive 2, y needs to have a value of negative 2. And that would be the point right here, 2, negative 2. And so I now have my 3 points that I have plotted, my 3 solutions. I can draw the straight line that intersects them, which of course is not as accurate here as it would be with a piece of graph paper. And this is the graph, this is the picture of all of the solutions to this linear equation in two variables.